Hi there, my smarty pants. Today we're going to talk about our next project, and we have already watched the book about Gustav Klimt, and we've looked at some of his artworks on our slideshow, and now we're going to start our own artwork that is hopefully inspired by his work. Okay, so Klimt patterns. You're going to need supplies materiales, paper, papel, pencil, lápiz, black marker, marcador de negro, and colores, okay? So let's get started. I have my paper here, I have my pencil. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a circle or an oval at the top of your paper for your person's face, okay? And I want you to imagine that your mom has just come and put a big blanket around you, wrapped you up in a big blanket. How does that make you feel? Do you feel warm? Do you feel safe? Do you feel loved? Okay, so what's your face going to look like when your mom puts that blanket on you? Well, mine is probably going to be closed eyes with a smile, okay? And then I'm going to put my hair, my ear. Oof, I'm just messing this up. Good thing I have an eraser on my pencil. Draw my ear first. Okay. All right. Then you're going to draw that blanket, okay? So we're just going to start right about here at the chin and just draw a diagonal line down to the bottom of the page. And same with this side, down to the bottom of the page. Okay, so it's almost like a big triangle here. Okay, got a big triangular blanket. All right, now, like Gustav Klimt, we're going to put lots of patterns on our blanket. So you can start by dividing it up into sections and then draw a pattern. Remember, a pattern is something that repeats, so it needs to repeat over and over again. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to try something a little bit different here. So I'm doing a pattern of spirals here. Okay, and then on this side, I'll put some circles. Now, does yours have to look just like mine? No way, Jose. Make it better than mine, okay? I'm just doing whatever patterns I'm thinking of. But yours can be better. Okay, and let's see. Oh, I'm going to use this line. I'm going to draw some parallel lines. Remember, parallel is when they're the same shape of line, but not touching the original. Let's see. And I'm going to, let's see. I'll leave those like that. Okay, so I'm just making up patterns as I go. All right, and let's see, I'm going to put some lines in there. Okay, and so for your patterns, you can also use things like letters. You can use, so here we go, some S's. can use shapes. And up here you can see I used lines. I'm going to make this repeat, so I'm going to do my triangles and hearts again. I think I'm just going to end this blanket with my triangles and hearts. Okay, so here is my person all wrapped up in a blanket full of patterns. Now the next step is to trace it with a marker. So I've got myself a marker here. So I'm going to trace everything with the marker. Now I am a pretty sloppy tracer. Hopefully you're not. Add in my eyebrows. So while I'm tracing, I'm also going to be erasing. Okay? So if you're sloppy like me, you're going to need to erase those extra pencil lines just so it looks nicer.